Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to indent the first line of a paragraph in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take some text. Now we want to indent the first line of paragraph using two processes. The first process is the hanging indent. Select the first line and select the hanging indent. And move it, and we can see we indent the first line using the manual system. Otherwise you can use the shortcut. Click the first line, after the first line then press tab. Now we can see we make this indent very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.